Hello students, in today's class we will see the reaction with benzene sulphonyl chloride. Okay, so benzene sulphonyl chloride is nothing but Hinsberg reagent. Okay, so that Hinsberg reagent we can use to check whether it is a primary, secondary or tertiary amine. So we will just see in reaction. So benzene sulphonyl chloride. Okay, so this is the structure of benzene sulphonyl chloride. Benzene ring S double bond O, S double bond O Cl. It is a benzene sulphonyl chloride. And this benzene sulphonyl chloride we can say it is a Hinsberg reagent. Okay students, this is what Hinsberg reagent. So this Hinsberg reagent reacts with primary amine. So here I am taken the ethyl amine. So this is ethyl amine C2H5, then this nitrogen and this two hydrogen. So Hinsberg reagent reacts with primary amine, that is a ethyl amine. So what happens student in this reaction? So here hydrochloric acid is removed like this Cl and this H. HCl will remove and this whole part going to be joined to this sulfur. Okay, so what we'll get here, just check it. This benzene ring as it is, then this S double bond O group as it is, then this NH. Okay, this NH, then this C2H5. And what remain here? Hydrochloric acid. So what we can say, it is a N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide. Okay, where here we get a sulfonamide. Okay, so this N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide, it is a soluble in aqueous NaOH. So why it is a soluble in aqueous NaOH? The hydrogen atom which is attached to this nitrogen. Okay, just check it. So this nitrogen attaching with only one hydrogen in a sulfonamide is strongly acidic. Okay, so due to the presence of this electron withdrawing group, you know, this S double bond group, SO2 group is what? That is the electron withdrawing group. Due to the presence of this electron withdrawing group, so the hydrogen which is attached to this nitrogen, it is what? Acidic, strongly acidic. And because of that reason, it is a soluble in aqueous NaOH. And it gives a white residuum, and that indicates is a presence of primary amine. So it is very important reaction, and we can check how whether it is a primary or secondary amine. Okay, so just we will take the any amines and add the Hinsberg reagents, then we can see the result. Okay students, now all of you clear? So this Hinsberg reagent reacts with primary amine, that is ethyl amine. So hydrochloric acid is removed, it gets the N-ethyl benzene sulphonyl chloride, that is a soluble in aqueous NaOH. When you can dissolve it in aqueous NaOH, it is easily soluble, so that indicates it is a primary amine. And why it is a soluble? Because of the hydrogen which is attached to this nitrogen is a strongly acidic. Why it is a strongly acidic? Because of this electron withdrawing group. Okay, so this is very important reaction. Just see the another reaction. So now same Hinsberg reagent we can treat it with secondary amine, that is a diethyl amine. See the Hinsberg reagent is nothing but what? Benzene sulphonyl chloride. So this is what benzene ring. Benzene ring S double bond O Cl. This is Hinsberg reagent. It reacts with diethyl amine, that is a secondary amine. So see C2H5 NH again C2H5, that is a diethyl amine. Same reaction will proceed to here. So this Cl and this H. HCl will remove and the remaining whole part will going to be attached to this sulfur. So what we'll get here? See this benzene ring as it is, this sulfur group and this two oxygen as it is, then this nitrogen, this two ethyl group and CH5 and this hydrochloric acid will remove like this. So here we'll get what? N diethyl benzene sulfonamide. Now clear? So this is what N diethyl benzene sulfonamide. So it is insoluble in aqueous NaOH. Why it is insoluble in aqueous NaOH? Because in this nitrogen, so this nitrogen group is attached to this electron withdrawing group. So there is no presence of hydrogen atom. So here hydrogen atom is outside, and due to that it is not acidic in nature. Okay, so that is reason it is insoluble in aqueous NaOH, and it gives also white residue. Okay, so here also it gives white residue, but it is soluble in aqueous NaOH. Why it is a soluble in aqueous? Because this nitrogen containing the hydrogen, and that hydrogen is strongly acidic because it is attached to this electron withdrawing group. But here no hydrogen, that's why it is not acidic in nature. Okay, and that's why it is insoluble in water in aqueous NaOH. Now clear students? So this is Hinsberg reagents. Benzene sulphonyl chloride reacts with secondary amine, will get what? N diethyl benzene sulfonamide. So this indicates the presence of secondary amine. Now clear? So this is very important reaction. So if you carry the same reaction in the presence of tertiary amine, we can't get any product. Okay, that means tertiary amine does not react with this reagent. Means only primary and secondary amine we can check by using the Hinsberg reagent, that is a benzene sulphonyl chloride. Okay, just check the review. So here we can take any amine, given amine, okay, plus Hinsberg reagents. We can take the any amine in one test tube and you can add the Hinsberg reagent. Okay, so you just see the result. If white residue is formed and that is insoluble in aqueous NaOH, that indicates it is a primary amine. Very simple test. Okay, what I say, you can take one test tube, add the any amines. Okay, and in that amine you can add the Hinsberg reagent, that is one of the chemical. Okay, that Hinsberg reagent we can add, and suddenly if you get a white residue and it is insoluble in aqueous NaOH, then it is a primary amine. Okay. But if you get a white residue but it is insoluble in aqueous NaOH, okay, here also you get white residue, here also you will get white residue, but here it is a soluble in aqueous NaOH, it is a insoluble in aqueous NaOH. If it is a insoluble, then it indicates it is a secondary amine. Secondary amine is present. Now clear? So if there is no any residue, no white residue is present, that indicates it is a tertiary amine. So now clear students, so this is very important reaction. So many times this reaction they will ask in the NEET as well as JEE exam. So by using this Hinsberg reagent, so many times they will ask the questions. Okay, so this is very important naming reactions. So in next class we will discuss the another reaction. So you just take the this screenshot and write down the notes.